Doesn't like this.
Oh, benar je.
You filter it through your phone, it's good.
Yeah, it's like a mask.
It is. Oh. Get a shot next to you. Get a shot.
So Keith, what were you saying about second protection for people standing by?
It's alright if you're in water.
So like, does it filter it?